that's what I call sacred sound, because we're working directly with the divine. And the spirit love sound, angel love sound. And they're always around when we work in that space. You feel stronger when you're in tune. And in tune is, some people think, well, everybody has a different tune. But in our research, we believe everybody is tuned the same way. Just like if you tune an orchestra, all the instruments will play to the same tuning. And so it is with human beings. We're all tuned the same way, and yet we all have different music that we play. So to become stronger, we need to be in tune. And when we're in tune, we know from a scientific perspective that our body will spike a molecule called nitric oxide. And it's this nitric oxide is an antibacterial, an antiviral, anti-tumor, immune-enhancing molecule that's fundamental to signaling many biocascading responses in the body that when those happen, they automatically both cleanse us and make us stronger naturally. And when you're in tune and it's going on, it should be going on constantly, meaning that it's not like, oh, I'm going to get in tune now and do it. It should be 24 hours a day. You're on this wave of tuning with this molecule that allows your body to both breathe and to detoxify naturally. Then you're going to get stronger easily. That's just going to be your nature to become stronger.
So interesting, it's almost hot. It is hot.
I'm going to ask you to extend your awareness on the out-breath, out the back of the neck. Because space, as I view it, is an extension of oneself. So when you're preparing space in a room, for instance, as a practice for your clients, the real space to prepare to begin with is within yourself. So coming into a sacred state of awareness, whatever that means to you, whatever you hold as a sacred state of being, the space. It's really the emanations of your own field that are manifesting in the space that you're in the physical room. But you're also holding the container to do the work in. So you are becoming a vessel to hold and contain your client with you, that you can both enter sacred space together and do the work. And it creates a safe environment for them to unfold that allows them to release those things that they're holding and allows them to be nurtured by those things which they seek to attune to. In these seed sounds of Om and Ah, and when you feel calm from within your own heart,
That nostril relates to the right brain. All the functions that we scientifically associate with that brain are actually just related to that.
If you want to clear your head out, you can send it up through your upper chakras up through your head. If you want to clear your lower chakras, go and send them down to the earth through your lower chakras. Funny how the pitch all changed.
And then, of course, the form, like I was talking to you about, what kind of shape is are the frequencies, you know? There's an equation that says wave, form, and pulse. So the wave is the amplitude, I guess. You know, is the wave, is the cycle per second. The form to me is what I'm creating with this sound. How I'm going to bring this sound to the clients. What kind of sacred geometry I will work with playing this kind of ball. What's going to come out of the ball, really. And then, like Nigel was saying, you're playing and you can start doing sacred mantra. Play the ball, let the sound go, because right now there is a spiral, and I will go. Thank you so much to bring sound frequencies up to the world and work with the sound spirits. Have great fun doing so and bring the good to the whole world. Okay. Amen.